Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rafat. I am a child neurologist based in Gurgaon and Delhi. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I am here to talk about a common complaint in children, that's headache, which is even more common these days because of the lockdown. So, not all the headaches are significant and could be secondary to behavioral problems, psychosocial impact of the lockdown, secondary to excessive screen exposure or gadget exposure, prolonged fasting or skipping the meals, incorrect eyeglasses, or could be secondary to infection like sinusitis. When do you consult a child neurologist for the headache? So, if your child is getting headaches on a daily basis, for example, 10 to 15 days of headache in a month, if it keeps coming and getting worse with time, early morning headaches along with vomiting, or headaches which gets worsened on coughing, sneezing, or a bowel movement, headache which outlasts for 7 days after the head injury. If the headache is severe enough to awaken the child from sleep, then the child needs urgent attention and you should see your child neurologist immediately. Now, coming to the second category of headache, which is primary headache or chronic daily headaches. So, we often tend to think that headache is a disease of adults, but we have seen as high as 10 to 15% of children suffer from headache. Migraine and tension type headache are the two most common headaches which are seen in children. Migraine headaches can be seen in children as young as 2 to 3 years of age. Migraine is a severe quality headache and can be associated with nausea, vomiting, pain in abdomen, dizziness, blurring of vision. We have seen that younger children may present with abdominal symptoms like recurrent vomiting and pain in abdomen. So migraine should be considered a diagnosis in these cases. Other is tension type of headache which is seen in slightly older children. It is a band-like headache and moderate in intensity. It can be associated with spasm of the neck or the back muscles. So, if your child has any of these kind of headache, make sure you see a pediatric neurologist and your child would be assessed neurologically and would advise medications and lifestyle modification. Lifestyle modification plays a very important role in any kind of headache. So, following a healthy routine, incorporating yoga, meditation, physical exercise, drinking enough quantities of water, eating regularly, eating healthy, getting a good night's sleep of about 8 to 10 hours a day, avoiding and identifying your triggers. For example, food can be triggers like cheese, nuts, Chinese, aerated drinks, etc. Exposure to sunlight could be a trigger. So, avoiding exposure to excessive sunlight, avoiding exposure to excessive gadgets or screen is also necessary. Maintain a headache diary and also the trigger points. It will help your neurologist decide the plan of treatment for your child. So, treatment could be preventive in nature, which is prophylactic treatment, and the rescue medication. Prophylactic treatment would be taken, a medicine which is taken every day. It will decrease the intensity, severity, and the frequency of headache. While when your child is having a headache, he will be advised to take some rescue medication when the headache starts. Also, maneuvers like making the child sleep in a quiet dark room, giving hot or cold compresses, or some massage or deep breathing exercises could help. These headaches could be very disabling and can have a high psychosocial impact. So please feel free to reach out to us if your child needs help. Thank you.